Today we're showing you a 2022 John Deere 4052R tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere 440R quick attach front loader. Has a full factory cab with the heat and air conditioning. Tractor just has a few hours on it. It's very low hours tractor. It is practically a new machine. It does come with the balance of the factory warranty. As you can see, the tractor looks practically new. Doors on both sides of the cab, has the R4 tires. Hardly any paint off the 3-point or the drawbar. Stabilizer bars and top link are both with the machine. It does have the Hitch Assist on it. You can raise and lower the 3-point arms with this knob right here. And then you can physically move the tractor forward and back with these buttons right here. So get close to your implement that you're hooking, and you can use these buttons and then the knob to finish the task. It greatly helps in hooking implements. Very nice feature. Inside the cab looks like new in here, still smells new. And again, just a couple hours, I want to say about 15 or 20 hours on this tractor. Practically a new machine. Looks like the warranty runs into February of 2028. 25 hours on the tractor. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.